Leo!
He's done.
Oh, you're done.
He's so
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey y'all, happy Thanksgiving. I look crazy, but I don't have an excuse. I just haven't done anything yet. My hair is all, but anyways, happy Thanksgiving. I'm gonna do a little vlog. We're gonna spend the day together. We've already had breakfast. It's 2:33 p.m. My bed, it looks crazy. I'm washing all my sheets. I'm washing everything, towel, rag, everything. I get washed. I do like a little reset a couple times a month, so this is that. Anyways, we're gonna go over to Miss Jen's house today. My lips are ashy, don't mind that. And yeah, I want to take some pictures with Leo today, so I am actually gonna put effort in how I look today. I usually don't. You know how people are like, oh, living room fit, living room fit, living room fit, blah, blah, blah. No, I'm just there for the food type shit. But anyways, yeah, that's what's going on. But yeah, that's what's going on today. I'm gonna actually try to put myself together, and I'm just gonna stop rambling and get myself together. I look crazy. My skin is recovering from a breakout because I tried to use the Anua niacinamide serum and it broke me out so bad, so I'm recovering right now. Anyways, I'm gonna get off the internet looking like this, and I'm gonna hit y'all later. Hey guys, follow my mom's new page, and then my sister did these. I do good. My sister did these, so follow them. And here's Leo. Say hi, Leo. Yeah. You want to say hi?
Hi. It's a show. Yeah, 3 seconds toy.
What?
The 3 seconds the slide.
Brittany. We need to go get ready. What time will I get ready? Almost 3, so I'm gonna start get ready like right now. Yeah, I can't find my lip combo. My OG lip combo. I can't find it. I don't know where it went. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. But let me show you guys Leo's sweater that he's gonna be wearing. He's not coming with us because the place we're going to, they're not really dog people. They're not really dog people, so you know. Oh shit. So I washed it. So now it has should we wash it with blanket? Kevin, I'm like, why would you do that? But just gonna use a lint roller and happy Thanksgiving. Yo. I'm gonna shower and get myself together and then I'll come back. It's your birthday and I like I would love to listen to more worship music when I'm getting ready, but I keep crying. Jesus. I just keep crying. And if I'm doing my makeup, I don't want to be crying, you know what I mean? But yeah. Hair's done. Honestly, they made a mistake making my hair grow back to the length where I can do a sleep bun, because now I'm about to kill y'all with the sleep buns. Y'all already know. My sister did my nails. It looks so good. Focus, focus, focus. Yeah, I'm gonna put her info in the bio or maybe on the screen. I don't know. Anyways, let's get into this makeup. I'm not gonna do anything crazy, honestly. I never do anything crazy to begin with. I just am very simple when it comes to makeup. Yeah. Listen, wanna know if the edge brush don't look like this, it's not gonna give you what you need. It needs to look like this, crusty, dusty, hard, like will literally give you micro tears on your forehead. That's when the brush is like seasoned, and that's when you know it's good. So not too much on my brush. Okay. But as far as my makeup, I really don't do anything crazy. I just do concealer, setting powder, blush, setting spray. Call it a day. That's Leo is so extra. Hi, my handsome man. Hi, my handsome man. So where should I put you guys? I put the lighting. I already washed my face, put on all the skincare that I need. I have the mirror down here. If it's me, I'm washing. Me telling you before, I'm washing Leo's stuff, my stuff, everybody's stuff. So that's what's on the bed right now. And the bed is spread. Mind your business. So I had ordered a bunch of stuff for Kivari Beauty. If you didn't know, I am an esthetician. I specialize in brows, lashes, and body waxing. So yeah, I bought some stuff for me and Kivari Beauty, and they were pretty cheap. But would they even want to think? Say I bust this bus. Would they even want to put that out there, my love? Oh. So we're going to do my brows first. This is my first time trying this. As you guys can see, I'm just ripping off the plastic. This is the NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel, and I will let you guys know if I like it, how the brows hold up. And yeah, I like their other one. I think it's called Super Glue or something like that. That one is really good. That one is like really good. Wanna hear that? What the hell was that? But yeah, that one is really good. It's the one in the pink bottle. That one is nice. I love that one. That's my nephew. What do you need?
Mommy.
Leave her. She's doing something.
Hold on. It's very hard for me to focus right now because my bed is spread, and when my bed is spread, like I can't function. Like I need my bed to be, you know? Is it just me? My bed just off a spread, but because I wash everything, I like to just do one thing, like wash everything and then just do a big thing, you know? Oh, also I've tried the e.l.f. brow lift. This one is also good. What? Oh my god. What is the problem? Born this way. Leo, what's your problem? God of grace. So I'm just gonna do a little bit because I feel like a little goes a really long way with this concealer. I just like to put it here, here, here. Just a little on the bridge of my nose. As you guys can see, I have a big nose, so I like to put the highlight point at the, you know what I mean? Come here, wonder why this now focus, the autofocus off. Like what the fuck? But yeah, how have you guys been? It's been a little while. I need to stop neglecting over here and post some content over here because my like going over here, you know. I don't really love TikTok and Instagram. I don't, those are not my people. They are not my people. Yeah, them are one of them are hypocrite. Why is it so dark all of a sudden? So I made an Instagram account for Leo and I, but I feel like I should make a TikTok instead because, you know, that's where the money is. Oh, I'm kind of breaking out around here because I think I told you guys before, I think in the first clip, I was using this. Not good. Not good. I don't know what. Then when if I set them set me up, you know, because my skin was going so good. And then I just enough people. Enough, I don't even name. Enough bad. Cause my skin was so nice. Like even everybody on TikTok was like, oh, like what's your skincare routine? Like my skin was good. And then I tried that and like come on. I mean I feel like around here is good, but around the here, because this is really mostly where I put it because I wanted to test it. Yeah. Yeah. Not gonna lie, I don't have a blush palette anymore, guys. I am, when it comes to makeup, I'm such a minimalist. I use this palette and I like this pink color right here. That's what I use. I feel like if it works, it works. You know what I mean? Like it's working. I don't feel like I have to spend any money on blush. Skincare products I'll spend my money on. Makeup is not that important to me for me to like have 10 different blush, 20 different bronzer. Like it's not that deep to me. It never has been that deep for me. So if me have a eyeshadow palette and I see a color in there that I like that would be a good blush, I'm gonna use it. Yeah. You know I'm gonna spray that whatever. So now I'm going to kind of clean up in the room because I cannot function when my room is a mess. I feel so dirty when my room is not clean. So I'm gonna go do that. I need to. It's a lot going on. Hold on, y'all. You guys look at Leo's outfit. So cute. Oh wow, you're so handsome. Oh wow, you're so handsome. So stinking cute. Y'all, we taking pictures with Leo. I hold this. No, Kristen, I need to take a picture with my phone. Hi, y'all. We taking pictures with Leo. You still walking?
You know how time to walk?
I'm walking. Girl, you say you go walking.
It's a record?
Yeah.
What?
Leo.
He's done.
Oh, you're done. He's so hard. You know like people and I say like him, madam. Alright, come.
God have mercy.
Girl, I'm his son first Thanksgiving.
You're not gonna have no food? Oh God, get back some food for you.
Alright, come. So y'all, we're here. Every year we come over here. Here's
Way to go, doctor. Ask your doctor.
Josiah, come here. Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi, y'all. It's Jada. Ah.
Hi.
Hi. Yeah, so every year, this is the place to be. The food is cooking. Y'all already know. Y'all know how we do. Y'all know how we do. And, okay, the faces. The faces given.
Girl, what are you?
You know I be doing...
Why?
You know I be on YouTube.
Yeah, I know I see you.
You see me? You subscribe?
No, because you're not giving no money.
Yeah, y'all.
Daddy, here.
That's what's going on.
Hit Chaka for me. Chaka hit it.
Chris, what you say make your rice?
Oh, to cook the rice first, you must always ensure that the rice is clean. Wash your water.
No, speak that out. They know that.
Alright. Water in there is supposed to be 1 knuckle.
No.
Me have to tell you that because
Alright.
you know that they can't go no home.
So, no pot, no fire not on. And what you say happen?
So, because we did lock the pot already, I'm going to open the pot from put on it. The steam already build up in there. So, I turn off the fire for like 5 minutes. The steam will finish cook off the rice.
So, no, me and my mother wonder exactly how that the rice they cook without no fire under it. Me not
Because
lie.
the fire on for 15 minutes underneath it already.
Me not lie, I'm cute in this.
How you change my world, you never know.
Alright, y'all, look at me and Leo.
Don't drink that shit, guys. Alcohol in it.
How you know? Your choice. Relax. And then when it's food cute. Listen, I still look with the peas in the rice after we tell us the sauce of rice.
It will taste good though.
What kind of rice? This basmati? Basmati rice? I rice them with Indian them.
No, man. If I have the funny before. But you want to know.
Nobody didn't tell us them met that about it.
Hey.
When you could have said, tell me man, tell me if it's a curry, but...
Hey y'all.
But you didn't
No, but I didn't do it fine. Alright y'all.
What's the kids then? Baby! Get the kids then. Oh, get up.
Yeah, I don't know, come down.
Do I want that chicken leg?
What is that
You want
for?
some rice?
You already know.
No, the food, yeah.
The food there say one. Yeah.
Ryan. That means you send me other time the cook never tastes good. No, what's wrong with that?
But you know what Thanksgiving.
4-9. So you have to work for the one half your kitchen.
Nobody don't know what I'm going to
No.
Yo, I tried vlogging, but yeah. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all.
either way.
Happy Thanksgiving.